Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to add languages to this keyboard in this device. First of all, open the keyboard. Okay, then tap on the settings button, then tap on language, then tap on add keyboard. So from here you can easily select the language that you want to add to your keyboard. So here I am going to select the language Hindi. Then after that you can select the keyboard. So here I am going to select the option Hindi letter keyboard. After that tap on done. Again I am going to add the Tamil. Then select the Tamil letter keyboard. Tap on done. Again I am going to select the language Malayalam. So here I am going to select the language keyboard Malayalam letter keyboard. Then done. Now let me show you how it works. Then open the keyboard, tap and hold on the space bar. Now you can see the added languages you can see here. So simply in this way you can add languages to this keyboard in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.